Right, what I've updated is we've got 32 gig and the 1 gig video card, and it was a big fail swapping over the hard drives. Just reinstalled Windows, so now we've got 32 gig at 1600 megahertz. We've still got the i5 3550 3.3 gigahertz, and my other one is i7 2600, which is a 3.4 gigahertz, which can ramp up to about 3.7 or something crazy. This one has only got four cores, 4 threads, and the other one's got 4 cores, 8 threads. So hopefully I can get the other one in here. Voltages are sitting, fluctuating a little bit for CPU. Everything's steady. Temperatures still good, but yeah, we've got that 32 gig of RAM in here now. Right, I'll come back when I swap the CPUs and see how it all goes.